Today is Monday, August 15th. Let's start the week off with a pretty nice setup here. This is Advanced Auto Parts, AAP is the symbol. And look at this chart with really strong support and resistance right here, again in the middle, again after this big fall. So plenty of support and resistance right here at this level. It's about 165-ish, that area. It's not perfect, but I like this as a great setup. We've got earnings coming up this week, so if it bounces off of here, your odds of a nice rally are pretty good, and if it breaks down, your odds of a pretty decent fall are good. Check out some indicators. We've got unbalanced volume on the bottom, pointing down even as the stock rallied, so that's a negative for this one. Moving averages aren't really a factor right here since the stock is mostly flat in the big picture. Let's put on some Bollinger Bands here. Give me a second here, and I'm going to put on standard set of bands, nothing fancy about it. And I'm going to change the indicator at the bottom, and then I'm going to make this a line chart rather than a bar chart. And the reason for that, I want to see what's going on in tight here. What you have here is a close above the bands, and then another close at about the same level back within. So kind of a double top within the bands. Minor support break here on Friday. And down at the bottom you can see there's a MACD crossover at the last peak and a MACD crossover now at this peak. And I'm using 19, 39, and 9 as my parameters. This is not standard. This is what Gerald Appel, who created MACD, uses for his tops. So we have Advanced Auto Parts. I think it's at a critical point right here. We'll see what happens with earnings. One way or the other, I think there's going to be a move coming. I think we lean to the downside, but of course you got to wait and see what happens. Get an actual break or an actual bounce off this support level.